outside the seat. We riding Burke life, baby. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna give you a little preview of what the sound like. My phone wasn't working too well on this, but we're gonna give you a little sample, little sample. So stay tuned. Here we go. I'm gonna drop a little music. Don't worry about the copyright, because I'm gonna have to cut it out. I can do it and I did it. Look at my big account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all that doing episode. Maybe them cold night. I was sleeping on the floor. Can't give y'all too much music, but y'all see how loud it is. Pretty loud. Right now, we're going to go back to the video. Got the stars, the ZB5 Sundown 18s. Battery speakers. Got 10s in the door, 12s, iPad in the dash, stars. What else more you want, man? What else more you want? But stay tuned. Keep watching the video. I got a lot of footage and a lot of content to give y'all. So stay tuned to it, and we ride. Rootbeer and gold, killing by. See, get that man in operation. Tips. Try that mud, boy. That boy look like an Eiffel Tower, boy. Big 34s. squad in the back. 34s, full U-turn. Vonstar, gold. Everything brown and gold. Tips. Gold tips. All my details. 24 karat gold. Real gold. Real gold. Paint got that and we ain't talking about no flakes either. That's that paint, boy. Everything gold. Everything gold. Amani boards with my name in the caps. Y'all see it. 24 karat gold. Yes, sir. You see it. With the Tiarra badge lit up. Let's walk in real quick. She on the phone, so I didn't get to turn all the lights on, but y'all see it, man. Stars, 18s. Big monsters, satellite dish. Satellite dish. Gotta have the turtle shell. Y'all see the squat in the back. Some reason when I go and drive, it's squat, you know what I mean? On them 34s. Shine. Golly. And this was done in 10 days, man. I had a lot of stuff done by Paint by King for Florida Classic, as you see. And before, I had like a lot of flex. I got bracing, you know what I'm saying? I got bracing in the front. My fenders used to be like wiggly. They all sturdy now. Bumper in the front sturdy. They did all that, man. In 10 days, my body lines on my fenders, they fixed that. This is all in 10 days. They took the doors off. You know what I'm saying? Painted all my jams. Put the doors back on, sprayed it. So we got that Rootbeer and gold. I call it like the chocolate factory, man, because this mug is crazy. Look at all that gold on here, man. And I know a lot of people gonna ask me, how much gold is on here? I probably got about, realistically, I did all the gold myself, gold plated. I probably got about 35, 4K in the gold on the car alone, just gold by itself. Got the 300 conversion on the front, which I've been had. It's just nice and clean now. The body lines is clean. Got two Sundown ZB5 18s. We'll get to that. What else I got? Got 3 Humvee batteries. That's my Starlight box. I got 14.5 cubic feet of space for the Sundown 18s. And y'all already know this ain't no $4,000-$5,000 paint job, especially in 10 days and fix everything. So you count it up, man. Car for sale. Letting it go for 25K. I done had my years with it. We done have fun. I ain't even really brought it out since it's been the chocolate factory. Everywhere I go, everybody pulling me over. Police, all that. Squatting on it, you know what I'm saying? Squatting on the fold. And that's how we coming.